I'm happy to work through this question with you, which is, what is a cough? So, to define what a cough is, we need to think about the cough reflex arc. In order to understand the cough reflex arc, we need to think about what are the different parts of the respiratory system. How do those parts of the respiratory system interact with the nervous system? And what are all of the various structures and physiologic mechanisms that are involved? And we can think about this in the way that we experience a cough. So, when we are coughing, the sensation and the physical act of coughing is initiated by irritation of cough receptors. And those cough receptors exist in a few different places. So, firstly, they exist in the upper respiratory tract, so the area that's from your larynx above and above, superior to your larynx, and then the lower respiratory tract, so the anatomic structures that are below the level of the larynx. Also, we have cough receptors in our pericardium, in our esophagus, in our diaphragm, and also in our stomach. And so, when these cough receptors are activated by things like heat or something cold or different compounds, or let's say a chemical irritant or trigger, that activates the cough reflex arc. So think of something like smoke. So if you were to inhale smoke, or if you were cleaning something and you were to inhale like a caustic fume from something, that would irritate the cough receptors in your upper airway, and that would start the cough reflex arc. So once those receptors are activated, the impulses from the stimulated cough receptors traverse an afferent pathway through the vagus nerve that goes to the cough center of the brain. I hope this is helpful. I can happy to talk with you in more detail about this. Reach out to me via a message to schedule an appointment, and I would be happy to work with you.